Hi there, students. To chortle. To chortle, it means to laugh. It's a little happy laugh about something that has amused you. A laugh showing pleasure or satisfaction. So he chortled when he received the good news. He chortled with pleasure. He chortled at the cartoon that was being shown on the television. There was chortling coming from the back of my class, and I went to find out what was causing this. Okay, to chuckle, to laugh, to chortle. Okay, so they were all chortling with mirth. My mum used to chortle over the cartoons on the back of the newspaper every Sunday. She let out a rather embarrassed chortle. Okay, so to chortle, to chuckle, to laugh, to giggle, to titter, to snigger, to guffaw, chortle. Chortle is a quiet little laugh. It's not ha 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 ha. No, chortle. Yeah, it's just a small little laugh. Okay, it's a laugh to show that you're pleased. Okay, yeah. After a while, he began to chortle. You could also use it as a noun. He let out a chortle. Chortling was heard from around the corner. So a happy chuckle. To chortle, this is a chortling sound, a gleeful chuckling and snorting sound. Okay, so to laugh, especially when you're amused by something. Yeah, he normally chortles over at his own jokes. Yeah, he's sniggering. Okay, so the children were chortling. They were chortling with pleasure. They were chortling with glee. Okay, so you're chuckling and snorting at the same time, and this is probably the idea of to chortle, a joyful, happy little laugh about something. Okay, so stop chortling and get on with your work. Yeah, it's a somewhat muffled laugh. Okay, he started telling us this funny story, and every so often he would stop and chortle and then go on telling the story. Okay, so to chortle, it's a little laugh, a little snigger, a chuckle. Now, formality. So, the formality of chortle. I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you can use it anywhere. And now we get to the origin, which is actually the interesting part of this word. This word was invented by Lewis Carroll. Yeah? This comes from the poem Jabberwocky. Yeah, Jabberwocky. 'Twas brillig and the slithy toves didst gyre and gimble in the wabe. All mimsy were the borogoves and the mome raths outgrabe. Okay, this comes further on. O frabjous day, calloo callay, he chortled in his joy. Now this is the point where the Jabberwocky is dead, and chortle is supposed to be a mixture of a chuckle and snort. So chuckle and snort, chortle, a snorting chuckle. Yeah, it's something you've all probably done, and this is one of the so-called portmanteau words in in this. So to chortle, to laugh, to chuckle, to laugh about something. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To Chortle.